ये हमारे लोकतंत्र की शक्ति का प्रतीक है और यह हमारे राष्ट्र की आत्मा का स्वर है, वंदे मातरम की है। भारत केवल एक देश नहीं है महोदय, ये त्याग की जीवंत विरासत है। भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, भारत एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। ये वंदन का भूमि है, ये अभिनंदन का भूमि है, ये अर्पण का भूमि है, ये तर्पण का भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर हैं। इसकी हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारे अस्थियों को कोई कान लगा कर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय और वंदे मातरम। In 1875, Mahoday, I would like to say that these words always inspire me and also remind me that Bharat is not just a nation, it is a living legacy of sacrifice. In 1875, Sri Bankim Babu coined two words about our motherland, Vande Mataram. In 1908, a boy of 18, Khudiram Bose, walked to the gallows and final words on his lips as the noose tightened were Vande Mataram. When Veer Savarkar ji endured the back-breaking torture of the cellular jail in Kalapani, every lash of the tyrant's whip was answered not with a cry of pain, Mahadev, but with the fearless cry of Vande Mataram. The body may have been chained, but the spirit of Bharat remained unconquered, Mahadev. When Sri Chandrasekhar Azad ji made his final stand in Alfred Park, Allahabad, choosing death over surrender, his final declaration to the universe was Vande Mataram. The great revolutionary from my hometown, Narsipatnam, in Andhra Pradesh, the land forever associated with the legendary Alluri Sita Ramaraju. The empire shot him, tied to the tree and shot him point blank. The cry before his death was Vande Mataram. That is the sentiment that we have for this Vande Mataram, Mahoday. The empire gave him bullets, but Bharat gave him its gratitude, because recently our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has come to Andhra Pradesh and bowed his head to that freedom fighter Alluri Sita Ramaraju. I rise today with humility, Mahoday. 1 second, Mahoday. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute, Mahoday.
Please conclude.
And I would like to remind the immortal words of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घोर प्रलय की गंगोर घटाएं, पाँवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगा कर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. And for Vande Mataram we have to all go together. That is the spirit of Bharat, not stopping, not bending, not breaking, but moving forward together, because this nation does not rise in fragments, it rises when its people rise together. Mahoday, would like to thank Narendra Modi ji for adding the 2 stanzas in that Vande Mataram. I would like to thank the Prime Minister for that. I would like to thank my leader Chandrababu Naidu ji, Nara Lokesh ji for getting this, Mahoday. And one more important point, Mahoday. One more important point.
Overall, it will take 1 minute more. No, I'll make it. माननीय सदस्य ने पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर देने को तैयार हूं. आप अगर अपनी सभी सीट पर जाते हैं तो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं.
प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी गुजरात में मुख्यमंत्री थे.
No, it's not like
कन्या केलवानी महोत्सव और शाला प्रवेश उत्सव. Just one over.